Hello friends, welcome back to Time for Time. Today we're going to make a delicious zebra cake. It's creamy, chocolatey, and melt in your mouth. This cake is super easy to make and requires no oven. Let's get started. To start off, whip 2½ cups of cream until fluffy. One box of chocolate wafers. Put around 1 tablespoon of whipped cream between 2 chocolate wafers and then stick them together. Continue doing so until you run out of wafers. You can build a log or a rainbow like mine, or any other shapes you desire. Then spread the remaining whipped cream onto the cake to cover up the wafers and any gaps you may have. Cover the cake and put it in the refrigerator overnight. The next day, whip an additional ½ cup of cream and spread it over the cake. Then top it with your favorite confetti or chocolate sprinkles. Cut the cake diagonally to reveal the beautiful black and white stripes inside. And you're all done! Enjoy the cake! Thank you for watching. Like or subscribe to my channel. I would be delighted. See you next time. Bye!